Beautiful. So something happened. I'm not doing well, but I need to make sure things are done. So when you add, you need, so this is smart create. So we are not interested in the smart create. Why? Because we can afford to have our own settings, since most of us don't have this capital. So we are going to now tap on the manual create. This is where the gist of the business is. The manual create. We want to create our own strategy. Okay. Now, how can you create your own strategy depending on your capital and use our signals well? Look here, guys. If I only have $15, I'll just come here where you see first buying amount. I put in $15. That's the first step. Here the margin calls don't cater. They could be 4, they could be 1. It's okay as it is. The take profit is 3%. So because on our signal, that's the most important part. On our signal here, they gave you TP, which means the take profit. When you come here, you can see whole position take profit ratio here. That's where you put whole position take profit 3%. Write it there. Then go back to the signal. The signal also gives you this area we call whole position take profit callback 0.01. Come here and put it in 0.01. Come and put it in. So that's why here we add 0.01. What does this mean? It means that from our entry, if the market rises, if the market rises 3.01 and tries to go down by 0.01, let the robot sell, so we shall get a profit of 3%. Now what does the signal say else? You only have $15. People are asking, how can I move my $15 to $106,000 by using our signals? So you consider this is only what you have. We have put in this. Now we do not need the drop. Why? Because we only have $15, so we don't have the money to buy more. So now you shall use, the other thing we shall use is what we call the preset preset price. Now we come to our signal. The rest we make sure here where it is written cycle, we tap on the arrow, this one, and it turns to one shot. So we save, because the rest doesn't make sense to us. We only have $15. But before we tap the word start now, there is this area that is written on first preset buy-in price. You need to tap on that arrow. So if you are new, this is how you set. Your first week gives you confidence in our signals. Your first week gives you the ability that I've talked about when I was in Serie 1, where I said you entered when Bitcoin was at 29. You picked the first signal. 1. Bitcoin came down to 28. You picked a second signal. 2. Then Bitcoin get to 285. You picked a signal. 3. Then Bitcoin finally rises to $30,000. What is going to happen during this cycle of behavior? What is happening is that at signal 1 here, we'll enter floating loss because Bitcoin has gone to 28. You'll still, if you have more money, you will still use second call. This one only has 15, but if you have more money, then you will pick a second signal with $15 because Bitcoin is at $28,000. The second day you'll pick, so you trade one signal a day. But if you're advanced, you can trade more if you have more capital. We shall talk about that. You have stayed in the business for some time.